Hello from Fukuoka, Japan!
We're up and about. So it's 5:54, magsi-6 na. Lumabas lang kami talaga tonight para kumain.
Ayun.
So naka-rest naman kami, nakapag-wash up na din, and actually ganda ng hotel namin.
Medyo maluwag siya.
Yeah.
Hindi kagaya ng mga hotel namin sa Osaka and Tokyo. Medyo struggling kami sa space. Pero ngayon medyo nakakahinga.
So I can say that our trip officially starts now. Ito pa lang talaga. So hanap kami ng kakainan. Tara, samahan niyo kami.
Tara, sabay-sabay tayong gumala.
Let's go! Ganda lang train station, guys. This is why I love Japan. Everything is so nice. So from our hotel, nag-train kami, subway, and we got off at Kushida Shrine. We're looking for exit 1 to get to Canal City. So using the ICOCA or IC card. 210 yen yung fare. So, may mga signs going to Canal City, Hakata. And they said it's a 3-minute walk. And wala pang 3 minutes, we're here at Canal City. Tatawid lang kami sa tamang tawiran. Ayaw na mahuli ng jaywalking. Pero kahit wala siyang walk sign, the cars here, nagsistop talaga sila para sa mga pedestrians. So nice. This is Canal City. Yung unang sumalubong sa amin pagpasok ng Canal City, naghanap kami ng pagkain at gutom na gutom kami ay Ikinari steak.
Our first proper meal here in Japan. Pero kanina twice kami nun sa convenience store. Una 7-Eleven, which is ang sarap ng mga onigiri and lawson. Sana ganito rin sa Pilipinas.
What are we having?
We're having steak. So, i-check lang namin yung titingnan namin yung difference between Ikinari Philippines and Japan.
So, nakatry na kami sa Ikinari Philippines sa may MOA. MOA nga ba yun? Oo, sa MOA. Twice, I think. And super sarap niya. So, dito din. So, while waiting for our food, tutour namin kayo sa table namin dito. Anong meron? So they have a fork, knife. This is mixed spices. It says here. Syempre tissue. Ayan, tissue. This is steak sauce. Oh, this one is yuzu. And ito, mga dressing na siya for if you ordered the salad, and then salt and pepper. So, ito, i-Google Translate natin what it is, ha? So, go to Chrome. You don't need an app. And then, click this one. This icon of parang photo. And then, choose Translate there below. Tapos, tapat nyo lang siya. And it will translate. It says, shake well before serving spicy sauce. O, diba? So, they provide us with bib or apron. Ayan. Ay, hindi ka matalasikan ng steak. Ito naman di mo na itali. Okay lang yun. Ay, nalalaglag. Ito tali na lang pala. Thank you. You spread the butter. Kasing sarap niyan. And then some steak sauce. That was a really good meal. Super sarap niya. Hindi ko alam kung bias ako or parang mas masarap siya dito. So yung bill namin for the steak is 1,180 each. And then we added rice, which is 500 yung dalawa na. So 250 yen each for the rice. And you can ask for a refill. When you ask for a refill, they're gonna ask you kung small, medium, or large. Bad. Nagpa-refill ng medium si Tony, pero parang small. Baka yung small mas maliit pa. So yeah, it's really good here. And just like any restaurant in Japan, you pay for your bill in front.
We're done with our, hindi namin ako lunch, dinner, merienda, pero hindi ko alam, ang sarap! So, hindi bias. Parang mas masarap siya dito sa Japan kaysa sa Manila.
So it's super good for our first meal here. We paid
2,860
for that meal. Not bad at all kasi super sarap niya. And hindi din siya bitin. Sakto lang yung 150 grams na steak. Okay. So now mag-iikot-ikot lang kami dito sa Canal City. And we heard may fountain show, so hanapin din namin. Let's go.
And makikita nyo sa baba, pila yung Ichiran.
Ichiran. Wait, we'll show you. Ayun, si Ichiran. Medyo mahaba ang pila. And hindi pa yan yung main branch. Nandito din sa Fukuoka yung main office or main branch ni Ichiran. So, isang buong building siya na Ichiran Ramen lang yung store na yon or yung building na yon. So, job explorers muna kami dito sa mall. Ikot-ikot to explore. Hahanap din kami ng shades kasi yung isang tao dyan nakalimutan magdala ng shades. Parang kailangan siya talaga dito sa sobrang init. Medyo confusing lang siya kasi ang daming ikot-ikot. But we found the fountain dun sa baba. So here's the fountain. Hindi lang kami sure pero I think every 30 minutes yung show nila. So ayan. And this is what Canal City Mall looks like. To be honest, it's a bit confusing lang. Kasi paikot-ikot siya. Pero I guess masanay ka din pag naikot mo yung buong mall. So, ayan.
And it's color pink. I don't know, it's pink, orange.
Salmon.
Salmon.
Old rose. We don't know.
Naghanap kami ng dessert.
So, tara. Ay, sorry. Ang lapit. So, lalakad lang kami dito sa loob ng mall. Pero ako, nagpapa-aircon lang talaga. They have here a 390 store. So, mga anik-anik yung tinda nila and it's for 390 each. May iba 2 for 390 like this one 2 for 390. And, pero most of their stuff are for 390 pesos.
Yen.
Ay, sorry naman. 390 yen. Galit. Ayan, may eco bag, 390. Mga pouch. Headbands. And hair ties. So, itong taong to sinasabi, hindi ko kilala. Si
Shin-chan.
Sino ba si Shin-chan?
Hindi nakilala si Shin-chan. Ito,
That's Shin-chan. Oh yeah, that's Shin-chan. Hindi ko naman alam Shin-chan yung pangalan niya. Sorry na.
Sino? Shaun the Sheep. Kilala mo?
Hindi, kilala mo.
Oo naman. Pero hindi niya ako kilala. Si Shaun the Sheep.
Si Shaun the Sheep. Ngayon mo lang nakita yan. Hindi mo naman kilala yan. Invento ka. Ayan pa. May mga kung ano-anong mga nakakainis. Childhood ko si Steady, tsaka si Princess Sarah, tsaka si Patra Chinelo. Kilala mo? Ayan.
Tagay.
Nasa gitna ng ilong mo yung tag. Kano yan?
1,320. So, 500.
Ayan, pwede na yan. Kailangan mo lang ng shades. Kasi
ito na yun, no?
napakasakit sa mata dito. It's a tax-free shop, but you have to purchase 5,000 yen to get the tax-free. Thank you. So, we're here at Matsumoto Kiyoshi. Kasi may hinahanap ako na hair product na pinakita sa akin ni Hana. Shout out to Hana. And ayan, nahanap ko siya. Wait. So, eto guys. Para siyang deodorant stick pero for the hair. Para slick ka, ganon. So, 460 yen.
No, it's 505. 460 if it's tax-free.
460 if it's tax-free. So, this is 505 yen. So,
Not bad.
Kasi, ito nyo naman yung hair ko, di ba?
Kailangan
ko ba to? Oo naman. Kailangan natin. Tapos sabi tayong dalawa.
Yan.
Let's go. So, ito pa yung isa na hinahanap ko. Kasi my dad has this. It's an eye drop na cool sa mata. Yun. This one is 217 yen. Bili tayo.
Ang sarap niya, sobra.
Ano yan?
Georgia coffee. Na milk coffee.
Cafe owner ka, diba?
Ang sarap niya.
Try nga ako. Try nga natin itong Georgia coffee. Okay, yeah.
Sarap.
Sarap. Nabili niya sa Matsumoto.
Gusto mo natin. Ang ganda
There's
niya!
the fountain show! Yan. So, every 30 minutes yan dito sa Canal City. There's a Bandai Namco cross store here. we're gonna check it out. So, nandito pa rin kami sa Canal City. Oo, may mga gashapon. Ang dami. So, Japan is known for gashapon machines. So, ayan. Sobrang dami dito. You can get all sorts of stuff here, right?
Yes.
Unfortunately for me, I don't know some of these characters. Oh, it's a Tamagotchi! It's a giant Tamagotchi. Now, this is my childhood. Thank you, Ninang Baby Lou, for our Tamagotchis. So, my Ninang, my dad's sister, lives in Japan, and she used to give us Tamagotchis when we were kids. So, ayan. Oh my gosh, na-miss ko to. Sa alagaan mo. So, for the Gen Z and whatever Gen kids, these are our virtual pets. This is the pet society of our time.
Tamagotchi. How much is this one?
Ang dami, oh. The original Tamagotchi. It's for 3,080 tax in. 3,080 yen tax in. Ang dami. Saya. Oh, neoprint. Ano, childhood ko din to, guys.
Yes.
But now they call it photoism. And it's neoprint. Ah, cute. Nakakamiss tong mga ganito. Ang dami, ang daming booth for neoprint. Or photoism as they call it these days. Napakasaya naman dito. Ito. Ayan, printing na yung photo. Yay! Here's our photo! Yay! So, ayan, nag-photoism kami. For 400 yen, here's our photo. And it printed 2 copies. So, iiwan namin yung isa dito. Saan? Ayun o, doon. Ayan, may tape sila dito.
Pwede ka mamili kung yellow or pink.
Here. So, ayan, if you're in Fukuoka, look for Chub Explorer.
Tag us.
And tag us pag nakita nyo kami dito sa photoism. Yay! So cute! Nakita namin si Pac-Man! We're here at the Bandai Namco Entertainment Center. So, maglalaro kami. 2 players is 400 yen. So, nantay lang namin sila matapos. So we just played the world's biggest Pac-Man. Sobrang saya. Masaya dito. Buti na lang pumasok kami. Hindi nga dapat kami papasok kasi namin alam kung ano siya. Pero ang saya.
Buti na lang pumasok kami.
Yes. Kahit di ko sila kilala, nag-enjoy ako super. May mga kilala naman ako at mga childhood stuff ko. Sorry na. Oh, eto kilala ko to. Si Naruto. Si One Piece. Oh, kilala ko naman. Dragon Ball Z. Kilala ko naman. Eto, hindi ko alam. Sino ba to? Si Sailor Moon ba to? Joke lang, hindi ko po kilala. This one, sorry, hindi ko din sila kilala. But I'm sure for the anime fans, sasaya to. Ako nga, hindi anime fans, tuwang-tuwa eh. Sobrang enjoy dito. I'm just guessing, but from the title, it's JoJo's Quiz and Adventure. So, I guess, itong mga rooms na to would have quiz questions and you have to answer them. So, ayan. Or it's animated inside then, and you have to answer the quiz by doing the actions. Parang ansaya niya, kaya lang hindi namin maiintindihan eh. So, more gachakon machines here.
Please do not touch. Hawakan ko sana tapos ako niya, please do not touch.
Huwag nating hawakan pag sinabing please do not touch. Hindi ko sobrang saya to for collectors. Tsaka for anime fans. One Piece card game. And there's also an arcade here. And mga claw machines.
Eh, gusto mo game? Yung drums, palo-palo.
Ay! Oo! OMG! This is my jam!
You wanna play?
Yes, this is my game in Switch. Oh, I love this. Hold on. So, gusto ko maglaro but I don't have any more coins. So, ma-money changer tayo. Gusto ko maglaro. Excuse me. Can you help? Okay.
Ay, thank you, arigato.
Okay, tatanga-tanga. Papasok lang yung pera. Okay na, yun lang. Nothing to...
Thank you.
Thank you. So it's Tony's turn to play my game.
Benta ko dito.
Saya-saya. So nakatatlong songs kami.
Wala ko sa tono. Wala ako ng kape.
Ayaw na niya maglaro ng drums. Gusto na lang niya gumawa ng kape. Hey, let's go. Ikot na tayo. We're still having so much fun. Yay, meron ding Mario Kart. Nagpalit na po ng career yung kasama ko.
From a
From barista to
ramen chef.
Ramen chef. So sa 5th floor of Canal City, you can see the Ramen Stadium. So, ikutin natin and let's see what we can find here. May ramen kaya?
Baka. Hindi natin sure.
Ayan. So, just a bit of an info. Ramen was actually born in Fukuoka. So, sa Fukuoka na-create ang ramen. Ayan. So, sobrang daming different kinds of ramen. Price range, 1,450, 1,300, mga ganyan.
To order, you have to put your order in the machine. So, insert your money and then choose. Choose. Like to have. Kung ako order, beer pa yung napindot ko. Cancel.
Cancel. Okay, nausap yung machine. Ayan, sobrang daming options dito. Sa iba-ibang klaseng ramen. May mga curry ramen, normal ramen.
Pero ang sikat sa Fukuoka is tonkatsu ramen.
Ayan. Deep chicken noodle. Gaano ka deep ba yung chicken noodle na yan? So, ayan, ang dami po. Dito sa Ramen Alley na iba-ibang klase ng ramen. And yes, if only YouTube can release the smell.
Super bango.
Sobrang bango po dito. So, in front of Canal City, at sa may bandang Grand Hyatt, across the street is the river. And then konting lakad to get to the Yatay stores. Konting lakad to get to the Yatay stall.
A bird or a duck.
So ayan ang river na hindi Dotonbori. So there's a bridge over troubled waters. Joke lang. Actually, kalmado yung tubig. And then after the bridge, turn right. Turn right, sabi ni Waze, to see the Yatay stall. Oh, ayan na. Ang dami dyan. And then, pwede rin kayo magmuni-muni doon sa may river. So, ayan. Kanina pa kami river ng river. The name of this river is Naka River. And then, doon sa banda doon, yung mga mas madami pang Yatay stalls. So, let's go. Punta tayo doon. Napakasaya naman ang first day natin sa Fukuoka.
Dahil pa sobrang pagod, inilaban pa rin natin ang paggagala.
Guys, worth it yung pagod namin at gising namin na 30 hours. So, even before you reach the Yatay stalls, may mga food trucks na rin dito. Sa may gilid lang din ng river. Ayan. Iba-ibang street food yung tinitinda nila, but now, ito na talaga, totoo na pupuntahan na namin yung Yatay stalls. So, may mga tables din sa gitna.
Ano yung malaking bata?
Ano po yun, guys? Sardinas.
Malaking lababo. Diba?
So, nandito na kami sa Mercato. Ay, Yatay ito lang. Alam ko nasa BGC Mercato lang tayo. So, they have different drinks. Yuzu sour. I think this is my stall. Sours. Yan, mostly girls ang Yatay. Hello! even live entertainment here. Oh, super babait nila guys. Kumakaway talaga sila sa camera pag nakita nila. Parang gusto ko i-try itong apple candy. So apparently the Don Quixote song is pop music here. Okay, the 6 pieces takoyaki is for 700 yen. Thank you. Let's go.
One. Thank you.
We got one sausage for 500 yen. Say hi. One also. Yeah. And we're getting this stir-fried noodles for 1,000 yen. So, babalik na kami sa hotel. We're gonna take the subway. So, most of the time, there are 2 platforms, and to know which platform kayo, if it's the left or the right, look for your station here. So, sa amin, Yakuin. So, it's platform 2. Kung nahanap nyo yung station nyo here on the left side, it's platform 1. So, let's go. And we just discovered na may grocery malapit sa hotel namin. Super favorite talaga namin mga groceries. Ang saya-saya. So, as in legit grocery siya. Hindi siya convenience store lang. Ang daming kung ano-ano. Food, may fresh produce, side dishes, drinks. Ayan, super dami. Ayun na nga. It was an epic day 1 talaga na papunta from Manila to Fukuoka. Kung saan na-cancel pa yung flight namin. And then, nag-rebook kami sa ibang airline. Napunta pa kaming Nagoya bago kami umabot ng Fukuoka. So, dapat na 4 hours na flight lang, naging 20 hours na travel time.
And sa Nagoya, ang haba pa ng nilakad namin. As in, kilometro yata yun.
So, yun. Pero,
masaya siya.
Yes, and safe kami. Nakarating kami ng maayos dito. Nakapag-check-in kami ng maayos. Ang ganda ng hotel room namin. Malaki siya for a Japan hotel room. And then, nakapagpahinga kami.
Yun, sobra. As in, yung nalapat yung likod ko sa kama, automatic tulog.
Wala, she was gone. Tapos yung hotel namin, sobrang okay nga. And nabook namin siya sa Klook. So, if you also want to book and test a hotel in Klook, you can use our promo code SHOPEXPLORERSKLOOK so that you also get a discount. Now, our old promo code na Chub Explorers, you can still use it until August 18. Moving forward, after nun, you have to use Chub Explorers Klook para
avail ng discounts.
Yes.
Tapos, pagising, refresh, gala, punta sa Canal City. So, yung Canal City, it's just 3 stations away from our hotel. And then, ang lapit lang din ng train station
Yes.
dito. Ilang meters lang, and then may 7-Eleven na dadaanan, and then sa kabila may Lawson. So, perfect location. And then, kumain kami ng Sayatay Stalls. So, ang sarap niya, epic.
Sobrang epic. At saka ang dami naming nagawa. Nakapag-arcade pa kami. Tapos na
May Tamagotchi sa aking Pac-Man!
Nakakita kami ng Tamagotchi. So, parang childhood, talaga, reminiscing ng childhood. So, we hope you enjoyed watching this video because we had a blast making it.
And don't forget to subscribe to other social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok.
Yes.
And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe! Hanggang sa susunod na gala!
Paalam!
Tanana!